Hey guys, today we are starting with the rider who admits he learned a tough lesson. He found out the hard way that you always need to focus on the road rather than just staring at the friends riding ahead of you. This rider was caught completely off guard when an emerging driver suddenly cut straight across for a left turn. Unfortunately, he just didn't have time or space to react properly. This rider later admitted that this incident is exactly why target fixation is so dangerous. He tried his hardest not to steer towards the concrete barrier but ended up riding right into it. Thankfully both he and the bike are perfectly fine.
Non mais c'est une blague. Mais non mais c'est une blague. Mais vous êtes sur votre téléphone là. Mais comment vous faites pour rentrer dans quelqu'un comme ça? Bah reculez.
Here the rider completely failed to spot a massive patch of gravel scattered across the corner. By entering the turn with way too much confidence, he left himself absolutely no chance to make it through safely.
Ayağım sıkıştı.
A vehicle not paying enough attention swerves into a motorcycle's lane and gets dealt with instant karma.
Стой. Куда поехал?
This rider definitely needs to slow down. First, he narrowly avoided a head-on collision with an oncoming car, and then he barely managed to keep his bike on the road.
Hold on, this guy just crashed. Hold on, dude. I'll call you back.
Alright, later.
Oh.
Bana yazsın, sıkıntı yok. Bana yazsın, sıkıntı var mı bir şey?
İyi misin?
İyi misin? Sakin ol.
Bir dakika bir saniye kalırsan.
Bekle.
Tamam sakin.
At this speed, the rider definitely should have kept more distance. It only took a split second of inattention and he simply couldn't brake in time.
What's up? You don't want to check or what? You don't want to check or what? Huh? Huh? Look. Look.
What are you doing?
Bunu neden yapıyorsun? Niye? Ayağa kalkmak niye? Kavga etmek niye?